18-year-old woman on the run after fatal stabbing in Manchester. 9-year-old boy killed and policewoman injured in Manchester two-vehicle crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An 18-year-old woman accused of fatally stabbing a 50-year-old man in Top Coffee Grove near Porus in Manchester on Saturday night remains on the run even as threats have been made against her family in the now tense community. Police named the victim as Fitzroy Wilson, a farmer and resident of Top Coffee Grove. Police stated that about 8:32 p.m., Wilson was sitting outside a shop near his home when he was attacked and stabbed multiple times, allegedly by the woman. Police stated that the woman fled the scene. Wilson was pronounced dead at hospital. Police stated that the woman's family has since been threatened. Sources stated that the family fled their homes in the area following the incident. A 9-year-old boy died as a result of injuries he sustained in a two-vehicle crash in Christiana, Manchester on Monday morning. The boy, who is the son of a policewoman, was being transported by her to school when the collision happened on the Sedberg main road in the parish. The policewoman, who is a constable assigned to the Christiana police station, has since been admitted to hospital in critical condition. Preliminary reports are that about 7 a.m., the woman was driving a Honda Fit motorcar with her son as a passenger along the Sedberg main road when there was a collision with a Range Rover motor vehicle. They both were assisted to the Percy Junior Hospital, where the boy was pronounced dead.